to part 2 of the Generac GP5500 issues. I received the new head. This one isn't brand new, but it's the newer design. You can still get this newer style design online. I'll post a link below in the video. So this is the old design. So the boss is here, and the rockers shafts do move. They just have circlips on both ends. On the new head, there's no more circlip here. It's gone. There is still a circlip here, and then they have this retention bracket. As far as I can tell, the shafts do not float anymore. They are pretty much in place. This is the cast marks of the old head, and then this one, it looks like they have like the engine size casted into it. But other than that, they pretty much look the same. I will have to take the rockers off in order to get these two head bolts out. They do not come out with the rockers in place, so I'll have to get those swapped over. I am still awaiting head gaskets too. So just an update on the Generac GP5500. I got the replacement head on, and all the stuff button backed up, and it fired first pull. I will put a short video clip of it running with us checking the frequency, because someone had screwed the screw all the way in at the end of this video.